We are so excited to see our doctors this weekend from around the state at the ICS Chicagoland Fall Convention. We look forward to seeing each of you. I'm most excited about Friday night. It's a compliance class, and most of you are probably cringing right now. I would be in your shoes as well. But here is the thing. We're not doing your typical compliance course. We're not going to sit back and lecture for 3 hours and have you walk away with good information, but feeling overwhelmed like you can't implement. Instead, we're asking everyone, please bring your laptops, because we're walking away out of this class not just with ideas, but actual work product. Not just talking about policies and procedures in your practice, but actually walking away with developed policies and procedures that are specific to your practice. Even forms that you may be able to utilize with your patients on Monday morning. These are going to be walkaways, take-homes, and not just things that we talk about in theory, but things that we develop on the fly. We're going to go through some specific tools that are available to you, both Statisfy and Paxson, and other ways to be able to accomplish these seemingly difficult tasks. We're going to find ways to actually boil them down and make them so much easier for you. We're excited about it. We really want you to come. In fact, staff, you could actually come at a reduced rate for one day. You could come just for Friday if you wanted, and then come to the Friday evening class from 6 to 9. And we want you to come. Please get down and register. In fact, we'll put links down below. You can jump out to ilchiro.org and find out more information about the conference. We want you there. There's so much more happening that weekend. In fact, you're going to have some classes on the ethical practice and communicating effectively regarding the subject of sex, some things that we don't always like to talk about, but you know is going to be important to your patients and to your practice. There's going to be conversations about neurology. You're going to see sports injury updates, including some return to play information, indications and contraindications. There is all kinds of phenomenal information with great speakers from around the country. In fact, the conversation and the ethical practice surrounding sex is actually a panel from around the country as well. Additionally, Dr. Jay Greenstein's joining us, and he's going to be talking to you about integrating AI into your practice and finding ways to really move into the current world that we live in as fast as it's moving. You're finding about infection susceptibility and the influence of stress. All kinds of phenomenal information, but the best part is those networking opportunities, the conversations in the hallways, the best practices that we walk away with during the course of the weekend, and being able to see each other and realize that we don't practice on an island. You're not alone in this. Instead, we get to do things together, and we want to see you there. Please join us for the weekend. Log in, register. We want to see you, and we will catch you in just a couple of days.